The late adopter. Hi guys, welcome to the channel, or welcome to the new video. Today we're doing EOS. I've been talking about EOS before on my Patreon, and I've been mentioning it in a few videos, but I never actually did an entire video on EOS. I thought today is a good day to be talking about EOS and what's happening right now with EOS. So we're gonna check it out. So let's get into the charts and start seeing what's up with EOS. What's up with EOS? Because you can see here it's went from around 3 to almost 6, so almost 100% pump. So we're gonna check out what's happening. The first we're gonna start is explain why this is started pumping, and that's because this line over here, the trend line, got broken. We are not counting this stop over here, but this stop, this stop, this stop, this stop, and you can see at the end here that it actually followed it really nicely, this trend line. And on the break on trend line, close on the above the trend line on this candle here, it got confirmed the breakout and it started pumping. But you can see here once, twice it got fake breakouts that we called prematurely in my videos, and they didn't pan out. But now this is confirmed, and the EOS has changed its trend right now. So basically this line doesn't matter anymore because we are out of the line, out of the triangle, and so the question comes now, what are resistances? Why are we stopping here? What's happening? We're gonna start with the monthly chart over here and see the first resistance that we actually broke was at 4.1 over here. That's overdone, but what I'm thinking right now that we are fighting this resistance over here at 5.9. I think we are fighting this resistance 5.9. Let me put it like something like this, up there, 5.9. So I think that's the resistance we are fighting, and once we break this resistance, it's gonna go higher up and fight the second resistance that's at 8.5, but it's not actually 8.5. I'm gonna show you on the weekly chart why I think it's not 8.5. It's more like down here, because when the price went up and went down, it created some kind of support here. Also when it was going down, it created some kind of support here. So when the price went below the support and went up again, it hit the same support resistance area and confirmed the resistance here and went down. So this 7.7 line is actually the next resistance after the 5.9 resistance, right? So the price is gonna go here and try to break it. I mean, fight the resistance a bit, go to the 7.7, fight the resistance a bit, and after that it's gonna go higher, and I'm gonna show how high it's gonna go. So basically after these two resistance line, there is one more trend line you have to watch for, and the trend line goes from somewhere here all the way up there. So it hits these bottoms over here, and confirms it on the way up over here. So this trend line is really important. So what's gonna happen, or the way I see it right now, it's the price is gonna start going slowly up and fight the first resistance, second resistance, but once the 7.7 is broken and confirmed, we are above this level over here, it's gonna go all the way up to this line over here. So how that's gonna happen, I don't know quite. Don't know the process, how it will trade, how it happen, but it will hit this resistance line at maybe get some kind of rejection before it breaks. And you can see that once it starts breaking this resistance line, it is also where the tops are. So tops and the resistance line are gonna be broken around the same time, and I think only after the breakout of this trend line over here that we are actually gonna go parabolic on the upside on EOS. On EOS. And so this line over here, it's really important to be watching after the 7.7 line. But EOS will go, of course, all-time high like everything else in the bull market. It's only a matter of time and what's gonna happen before that. So let's see right now what's happening on the MACD and RSI. So let's put this one down. MACD, as you can see here on the weekly MACD, it went way below that, down there, a little less, and now over here we are crossing the zero line and getting the bullish cross again, and that's the time when the price actually started going higher up, right? On the monthly chart, it looks really nice. Monthly, we got cross only first over here, and after that, that was in June, the monthly cross came. The monthly crosses on the MACD are really powerful, and you can see after that, like, even though it went sideways and stuff, like, it was slowly moving upwards, and now it's going picking up the speed and going higher up. The RSI on the monthly is not overbought all looking very good. So let's see on the weekly RSI. Weekly RSI is only at 73. It looks the EOS looks very healthy. Only looking at Technicator, is it overbought or not? So it's in the start of the bull run, right? It's in the very start of the bull run and looking good. Daily also looks very good. You can see here on the daily that we are getting some kind of consolidation period just before this first resistance. We are getting down, but this already may be corrected, and we are probably gonna do something like this before we break it. I'm not saying it's gonna take the month of time, but you know, it's gonna be like a little up, little down, maybe all the way up and start getting up. So this is some kind of consolidation phase on the just below the resistance before we actually break it. Now for the last thing I want to show you is on the 4-hourly chart, and this is actually happening right now on most of other, I won't say most, but a lot of other tokens and coins, and that's the wait, let me turn off the magnet, and that's the RSI divergence. RSI divergence on the 4-hourly. This is happening on a lot of other coins right now, and because of this RSI divergence on 4-hourly, I'm thinking that entire market is gonna pump soon, really soon, really a lot, because of the RSI divergence. Also MACD on the 4-hourly looking like it's like looking is gonna start converging again against each other. We're gonna get bullish cross soon over here as well. So all in all, EOS is looking very powerful right now. It, you know, while all the DeFi projects were pumping, EOS wasn't pumping, Bitcoin Cash wasn't pumping, Bitcoin SV, the old project weren't pumping, and then Cardano started picking up the speed and stuff like that. So I think all of these other forgotten coins are gonna start coming into the space now, because some other are a little more already bought a little bit up, right? So the line to watch for, like I said, is where's the line? It's 5.9, and after that the 7.7, and after that this trend line over here that's made up of the bottoms and this one top over here. So these are lines. How the trading is actually gonna look like, we cannot go into that because we are not making EOS a video every day, right? But once in a while I'm gonna keep you updated on EOS, because I actually like EOS. I don't know why, I like EOS. I know Dan Larimer left the project and all of that, but I like EOS. Thanks for watching, guys. I was actually a little bit bummed out today because I got my first warning on the video from yesterday, from the live stream. It was categorized as a scam or garbage or something like that, so I had to appeal for that. I don't know what I did. Maybe I put some extra coins in my description. Maybe I was shilling my Patreon, so I have no clue why I got that video warning on that video and removed. So I gotta figure that out. Besides that, all good. How you guys doing? Doing good? Wife, family good? Take care, guys. Take care. See you later today. More videos about something else. Bye bye.